Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set alarm on iPhone without sound, vibrate only. So here is how we are going to get this done. We're going to head over to our clock right here and let's go ahead and turn this on. Open it, and then from here you are going to look for the sound. So click that one, and in the haptics go ahead and click that, and then ensure that you have chosen something in here. If it's not in default, you can say choose SOS, there you go, or any of these here, and then close it. And once you've done that one, we're going to choose ringtones. In the ringtones, I want you to set this one to none, just like so. So for the sound you have set is to be vibrate only. But for the ringtones, you have chosen a none. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And the last thing that you are going to do is set this to silent, just like so. You can do that by basically clicking the action button if you're using iPhone 16 and up, or you can go ahead and switch it using the switcher button if you're using iPhone 15 and below. And again, that's how you're going to set alarm on iPhone without sound.